This is a Mazak Integrex 50, and it's a machine I trained a couple of guys on a few years back. A fairly old machine, but I found these videos and I thought I'm going to share these because they could be useful to someone. It's an interesting machine in that it's got the ability to have a live tool or a static tool, and they go in these different heads, and they're disseminated by whether they're odd tools or even numbers as to whether it's a static tool or a rotary tool. And then this head that you can see here swivels to select whichever tool you want, and you have like an extension to your T number that tells it whether you want a static tool or a rotary tool. Great machine, big machine. It's a T plus control, quite an old control, but still absolutely brilliant to program and really easy. So well thought out these machines were at the time, and they're still, even today, they're still rated as some of the greatest, well, in my opinion anyway. I think they're just very, very easy to program, and it was a brilliant control at the time. A great function on this control is that you've got this ability, having created a program, to move the tools around very easily, so you can just put one tool in front of another very easily at the click of a button, as you'll see in this video. And you can also, they have this rough priority, so if you press the rough priority, it picks out all your roughing tools and runs them first, and then runs your finishing tools second. So you'll see that in a minute. So if you want to change, we're going to say change that with rough 2 input. So that's swap that with rough 2. So if I said there, change that with finish 3 input, puts it there. And then if I say move, I can say move rough 1, which will put rough 1 above that input. And then I'd say move rough 2 input, so it moves that tool to there. Yeah. And then you've got your rough priority input and your program priority input, and your rough priority means all your roughings first and then all your finishes.